Today we're going to be doing a continuation of the gargantuan thrift haul. These are 2 more of the box dolls. I only have 1 more left. So this will be the second to last video. I'm going to give the other doll a video all on her own because I think she's going to be my favorite, because if I could have only bought 1 doll, if I only had enough money for 1 doll, she'd have been the one. So anyway, these lovely ladies, Esme from Twilight, and this beautiful Holiday Bob Mackie 2006, ooh, lovely in-box doll. We are going to take a look at these ladies. We're going to unbox them. We're going to release them from their cages. We're going to let them breathe free and have fun in my little dolly world that I have here. So I hope you're ready for that. I hope you enjoy it. And I'm going to show you the boxes real quick before I open them off camera, so that you can see everything going on with that, and then I won't have you sit there and try and watch me dig them out of the box and all that. I'll just cut that out, do that, and then bring them back out when they're ready to go and all deboxed. The first one is this Esme from Twilight. I really like the boxes. Like, the thing on the back is pretty cool. I mean, it's plain, but it's cool. It goes with the movie. And it says, I don't know if you can see it up here because of my light, it says Esme, and she was only $7.95 from McKay's. It's funny though, I was looking at these, and most of these have these other prices, so she was $25 new, so I think I did good because she's still in the box. And it just says Twilight Saga and Barbie Collector Edition pink label. Nothing on the sides, just clear, see-through so you can see. But on the back, this is really pretty. I think they did a pretty good job of making the doll look like her from what I can tell before I get her out. It just says Esme, the Twilight Saga. And then it says, I already think of you as part of the family. The action-packed modern-day vampire love story, the Twilight Saga, tells the story of a 17-year-old Bella Swan. She is drawn to Edward Cullen, a pale, mysterious classmate who seems determined to push her away, but neither can deny the attraction that pulls them together, ... even when Edward confides that he and his family are vampires. That's funny. I like that. Down here, it says Summit, because that's who did the movies. And doll stand included. Box is a little beat up at the bottom, but I don't mind. 2012. And then all the regular stuff on the bottom. You can see that there. But there's pretty Esme before she's deboxed. See her box. This beautiful lady. I love this box. It's very nice. This one isn't all beat up. This is 2006. Holiday Barbie, Bob Mackie, Barbie Collector. I only paid $10.95 for this one, and there was 2 other holiday dolls. Here's the sides. Both sides look the same. They're just plain. That I was interested in, but this one I was interested in more than the other 2, and the other 2 were more expensive by a few dollars, like $13, I think. 2006 Holiday Barbie by Bob Mackie. Alright, it says, this most beautiful season brings celebration filled with joy and love of family and friends. If you believe the holidays deliver the gifts of harmony and hope, wrapped in magic and decorated with glamour, the special extravagance of this year's Holiday Barbie doll by Bob Mackie. It says Bob Mackie again presents a beautiful gift for a special season. The 2006 Holiday Barbie by Bob Mackie is wonderfully sophisticated in a black gown, embellished with white faux fur and festive multicolored stars. For years, Bob Mackie's designs have graced the most famous stars in the entertainment industry as well as the most glamorous women throughout the world. In 1990, Mackie glamour reached a pinnacle of fantasy when he began designing for the definitive fashion doll Barbie. 2006 marks Mr. Mackie's second Holiday Barbie doll creation, sure to be treasured for years to come. And then there's like the artwork on the back. I love it when they show you the artwork, the idea of the designers. It's pretty cool. And it has all the safety things and all those good things. Holiday Barbie, Barbie collector, a community of collectors. But this is a really nice sturdy box. Even though I'm going to take her out so that you guys can see her, I'm probably going to put her back in later. But I just thought you might be interested in seeing that because I have never seen this until I found it in the wild other than on haul videos and things like that. So I'm always interested in seeing new things. So I hope you are too. What I'm going to do now is just take these dolls out of the box and I'm going to press pause and then come back when I'm done. And now they've been released from their box jail. Yay! Let me just say, anybody who's interested in getting the 2006 Barbie, I get it. She's gorgeous, but getting her out of the box was not fun. Just letting you know. They had so many strings and things sewn into her. It was a long process because I didn't want to hurt anything, and they had like twist ties around her hair and waist and just all kinds of craziness. So yeah, but anyway, we're just gonna jump in here with Esme. She's really pretty. I love her. I actually took out her stand this time because opposed to the other ones, it's actually kind of cool, like not just plain. The other ones are just plain and don't have anything on them, but I thought this was really, really cool. I know it just says Twilight Saga, but I really like it that it's like that, and it has the little clip at the waist, not the saddle stand. So that's awesome. And here's pretty Esme. I absolutely love this doll. It's really, really pretty in person, and even just taking her out of the box, she's even prettier to me. I love the little beauty mark and her like golden eyes and the really dark red plum lips with her fair skin. I know that's how she was in the movie, but you know, they did a really good job of recreating that. And the hairstyle too. The hairstyle is a lot like how she wore it in the movie. The only thing I don't like about it is I can feel it. She's gonna need a glue treatment. I can feel the sticky glue in the hair, so that's not fun, but she's really gorgeous otherwise, and I love this hairdo. I hope I can get it to stay. I'm not planning on boil washing it, but I will do the glue seepage treatment that I know of that always works for me on her, and I'll let you guys see it later. But this outfit is just really, really pretty. I love this very royal purple. It's very, very pretty. It's coming across like a different shade of purple on my screen than it is in real life, but both are pretty, but I prefer the actual, what I can see with my eye color. This bracelet is really, let's see how close I can get it. It's really detailed for being so small. And it does look like kind of what I remember from the movies, because I did watch them and I do like them. It's just been a long time since I've seen them. But that's really nice. No painted nails, but I like the way her hands are molded. She has nice, soft hands. And these shoes, like I said, love the shoes. These are great. They're really simple peep toe pumps, but they had these in their fashion packs. I would buy them, but they don't. I don't know what they're saving them for because they own the rights to the mold. So, but I love these. They could do a million different things with these and not have to really try. They could just make them all different colors and have tons of peep toe shoes. They're really, really gorgeous. I prefer the snaps, but I understand this is probably a later one, so they quit doing the snaps. They've all gone to the Velcro because it's cheaper. It says 1990 Mattel on her neck and 1999 Mattel Indonesia on her body. I would have preferred that this be 2 pieces. I know that sounds funny because it is supposed to be a dress, but I believe that it would have been better if it was 2 pieces. And I don't care for the Velcro, but what can you do? I only paid $7 for her. So, but I feel bad for, you know, this is not bad quality. I'm not trying to say that at all. And she does have the bend and snap knees. I'm just saying I prefer the snaps over the Velcro because the Velcro gets stuck on other things and the snaps are just better. But there's pretty Esme. Really, really love her. So glad to have her for only $8. $7.95. The material's really nice. And I was curious, one more little thing. I don't feel, let me see. There is a Barbie label. I wasn't sure. Let's see if I can get it where you all can see it. Okay, here's the label on the dress. I thought it would say something about Barbie, but it says TM and Summit Entertainment, LLC. But she does have a tag. I was looking for a Barbie tag, like a collector tag, but... So there's our pretty Esme. Now we're going to look at this gorgeous Bob Mackie. The face alone just, I love the Mackie face. The face is gorgeous. There we go. Absolutely stunning face. And the way they did the makeup, I know I said that there was more than one holiday doll that I was interested in. And this makeup and this face are what made me pick this one over the other one, because they were only $3 difference and I had to choose. I knew I couldn't get both because the other one was like $13 and this one was $10.95, so technically $11. The other one was $12.95 that I was really interested in. But this face, she's got golden sparkly eyeshadow on top with like a cream underlay, and then this gray smoky cat eye going on with these really pretty steely blue eyes. And this lip color, I love this lip color. It's like a frosted mauvey pink. Absolutely beautiful. And the accessories again, these feel like real metal. I love that. I miss the quality of the old dolls. These are absolutely stunning. They're gorgeous. And they got 2 little rhinestones, a red and a green one. And there's a gold and a silver star. Oops. Her little crown is really, really cute too. I really like that with this hairdo. This hairdo is awesome. I'm usually not one for hairdos if the hair is long, but this I actually like, except for this. This end of this is like a rock. Could probably hammer a nail with that. It is so hard. But I'll wash that out. The rest of it isn't like that, so I'll just wash the end out here to get rid of that because I don't like it. This is really, really soft. Her little capelet that goes around her arms is a separate piece. Really pretty. And this velvet is really, really nice. I like the way that they did this with the embroidery and the little stars here. The velvet's really pretty. The only thing I don't like is how stiff it is and how there's her other shoe. This shape, it's really, really flat. See? I know that they did that so it would keep this bell shape, but I'd prefer it not be so flat like this. I'm not crazy about that, but it is very, very beautiful. I love the trimming. It's super, super soft. Her shoes, they both fell off. They're the ones that don't stay very well. So I'm just going to show them in my hand so you can see them. They're little gold pumps. They're really, really nice. They just don't stay on unless you have a rubber band or something around them. I think actually what I'm going to do for my collector dolls like this with these shoes that don't want to stay on their feet is get some museum putty, because I know it won't hurt the doll or the shoes at all, and put it inside so that the shoes will actually stay on the feet, because I put the shoes on her twice and they just keep falling off. Let's see. What does her next say? $19.91. Mattel on the neck. I don't know if you can see that or not. And on her back, love the snaps. Love, love the snaps. What does her back say? $19.99 Mattel Indonesia. I'm curious. I don't feel... Yeah, you can see there's no Barbie tag in this one. No collector Barbie tag of any kind. I don't think I've ever gotten one that didn't at least have a Barbie tag. But that's new. But anybody that saw this would be able to tell it was Barbie. The way it's made and everything. It's really, really nice. But this, it feels like this is two pieces. It kind of is. Weird. I don't know why they chose to sew it like that, but they did. All in all, overall, she's very, very pretty to me, and I'm glad that I got her. I really, really love her. Just this right here, this still, absolutely stunning. Gorgeous doll. Even without the outfit and everything, if I took the outfit and everything off, she'd still be gorgeous. Really, really love her. Really, really happy with my purchase. So glad to have her. Oh. She has bend and snap knees just like the other one. Ooh. Never been used bend and snap knees. Those snapped really, really, really good. There we go. Little shoes. Well. For today, that was our unboxing, our beautiful Esme and our 2006 Bob Mackie doll. Absolutely gorgeous. I feel so lucky to have these. I'm so lucky that y'all are tuning in to see my unboxings and see my great big haul. So happy about that. Just wanted to say thank you so, so much for watching. Thank you to all my new and old subscribers. I appreciate you all. Thank you to the doll community for being great. I hope you have a great day. Take care. I'll see you soon, and only one more video, and we'll be all done with all this big gargantuan thrift haul of mine. Have a great day.